Did I miss it?
Yeah. You might want to pull it back out.
But it's dead already. Ugh. I feel sad for
That
them.
looks tasty.
Oh my gosh, their shells, they just turn like pinkish. Oh, you should like hold it above there. Like, oh yeah. Oh. I can tell whether they're
scream.
Scream?
I can tell whether they're male or female. That was a bird. Hey Dad, pick up a big one so I can see whether it's male or female. Okay, flip it over so I can see its underside.
Okay, on the water now.
What was that? I can't tell
Just make
because I guess
something up.
it's just lobster.
That could just make it up.
Okay, it was male.
See, when somebody asks you
There's one.
something, you have to make it up.
That one's female.
Okay, so.